Okay guys, so this video is going to show you how to log into your SK Google Classroom account, and I'm also going to show you how to upload an assignment as a Google Doc and in order to submit an essay through the Google Classroom. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up a browser to Google. And the page will look something like this. You'll just have the Google logo in the middle where you can search. Regular Google page is all you're looking for. And so what you'll do is you'll want to sign in. So you can click the little button up here in the corner that says sign in. Okay. So we're going to say we want to sign in with a different account. Okay, we're going to add an account. We're going to use this account here. All right. So for your account, it's just going to be the first letter of your first name. It's going to be your last name, your um, whoops, your graduation year at student dot sksd for South Kingstown School District dash, not slash, dash, this little thing here, ri.net. Okay, so that's going to be your account. All right, and your password is going to be anything, the same thing as anything that you would log into a computer with. So if you were going to the library or to a computer lab with a class and you wanted to log into the computer, whatever the password is that you would use to log into the computer, that's what you're going to use here. Okay, so once you type all of that in, you're going to sign in. Once you sign in, you're then going to need to go up to the search bar here and you're going to type in classroom.google.com. Okay? When you do that, that's going to bring you to the Google Classroom portion of your account. Okay, and you can see that you're logged in up here because you see your username up here. And then you'll see whatever classes you've added yourself to. Okay, so this person's just in one of my Western Civ classes. But if you want to add yourself to another class, you would just hit the plus sign and then you'd put whatever the class code was in here and you'd hit join. And you need to get that from your teacher, okay? Because they'll get it when they set up the account. All right, anyway, once you're in here, all right, in order to submit an essay through the Google Classroom, you're going to click on our classroom. Now what I've done is I've added in a fake assignment. It says sample assignment. So if you have an assignment, it'd probably show up over here. And it tells you when it's due. This says due tomorrow. If it was due Friday, it would say due, 1/3/15. Okay? And then you could also click here and see your old assignments as well. Okay? But so let's click on this sample assignment. Okay? When you click on this on the assignment, you're going to have a couple of options. You can add. So you could add something that already exists in your Google Drive, or you could add a link to something else, or you could upload a file from your computer, like a Word file or something like that. But what I want you to do, because we're going to be using this for essays and for me to grade and edit your essays on here, I want you to go to Create. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit Create Document. And when you hit create document, it's going to create a Google Doc that is tied to this assignment. And then you're going to click on that Google Doc. And then when you do, you're going to have a Google Doc right here. Now you could write your essay or your paper or whatever it is in Word, and then you just copy and paste it in here. I don't care, but I do want you to do it as a Google Doc because that's the only way that I can suggest edits for you and you can see all comments and stuff through the Google Doc. Okay? If you attach a Word document, I have to open it as a Google Doc and then share it with you, which is possible to do, but it makes it messier. This is much easier, more streamlined. Okay, so you're going to either type directly into this or copy and paste something in here. So we're just going to put hi. Okay, then you can hit turn in. Okay, turn in your work, it's going to ask you, and it'll just say, what it is and all that, and then you're going to say, yep, turn it in. Boom, it's done. Now, if you make a mistake and you realize, oh, I put in the wrong version of my essay, I put in an old version, I have a newer version, or you just look through it and you realize, oh, this paragraph is all wrong, whatever. You can hit unsubmit and it'll ask you, okay? And you could write a note to me to explain, all right? And then you can unsubmit it and it'll take it away. And then you'll be back to this situation where then you could turn something in again. Okay? So it's as simple as that. Um, and I hope that this has helped clear up some confusion for some of you guys. All right, thanks for listening.